Tax season doesn't have to look like this or feel like this. Let go of the misconception that only the rich don't pay tax. I show average people how to save thousands every single year. I'm Tiana, checking in with Gold Star Tax Service, and I teach you how to be stress-free around tax time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. What is going on, you guys? It is Tiana checking in with Gold Star Tax Service, and I am going to go over how you can calculate your amount that you will receive from the unemployment refunds, okay? Now, with that being said, some people may not get a refund, okay? I believe the cutoff, like if you filed before March, was like, I can't remember the exact date, but I believe like if you filed after March, you won't be getting one. If you your income wasn't up there enough to basically qualify for it, you won't get it as well. Okay, so before we jump in, I do want to let you know that I am truly thankful for everyone who is subscribed to my channel and is tuning back in, and I'm thankful if you're not subscribed to my channel, you're tuning in. But if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post, okay? And if you're not following my Instagram, I suggest you head over there as well, because I post content there that does not make it to YouTube, and that's more of a daily basis thing, okay? So first, I wanted to see if you guys heard of this, that Bank of America wants to end their contract with EDD. Bank of America has been with EDD for the last like 10 years, like 2010. And it's just funny to me that like with all this unemployment drama and this and that, they're like, we don't want to be in a contract, but unfortunately they can't make that call. So yeah, they're kind of just stuck, okay? So let's go right on in. But I just thought that was like crazy news. Like I was floored. Okay, so to calculate your unemployment refund check, okay, what you have to do is you have to find out what tax bracket you're in, okay? So on this side, we have the tax brackets for 2020. This is what you're taxed at based on your income and based on your filing status, okay? Now, with that being said, in order to find out what your tax bracket is, it's the amount of income that is taxable. To get your taxable income amount, you have to take your total income, okay, and then you subtract your standard deduction, okay? Now, I do have 2 videos talking about standard deduction and talking about, tax brackets and such, breaking it down even more. I will link those at the end of the video, but for now, we're just gonna keep it simple, okay? Let's say you are head of household and your income is $47,000, okay? So let's say your total income is $47,000, right? So we're gonna take the $47,000 income and we're gonna subtract the head of household standard deduction, okay? So that's gonna be $18,650 subtracted from the $47,000, okay? Now, your taxable income is now $28,350, which means the only amount that could be taxed after your standard deduction. We're just going to assume you're taking a standard deduction and not itemizing. If you have enough itemized deduction, it could be higher than that, higher than your standard, but we're just going to keep it simple and do the standard deduction. So if you take away that, your taxable amount is $28,350. You'll see that on your tax return. Like, let's say you're a W-2 earner, and then you'll see it'll say like your W-2 income, and then it'll say taxable amount. You'll see that amount is different, okay? So once you figure that out, at a $28,350 income and head of household, you will fall here. You will be taxed at 12%, okay? So to figure out your unemployment amount, so you would take the unemployment amount, which was $10,200, that was credited or whatever, forgiven. So you would take the $10,200 and you would times that by 12%, and that will give you the amount you will be getting from the IRS, which is $1,224, okay? So I'm going to do another example for married filing jointly. Now, married filing jointly, let's do income. Let's say their income is $75,000 and they subtract their standard deduction, which will be $24,800, giving them taxable income of $50,200, okay? Now, at $50,200, married filing joint, here, they will be taxed at 12%. Okay, but let's just assume that both people got let's just assume that both people got what is it called? Sorry, brain fart. Okay, let's just assume that both people got unemployment. So they're both of them have $10,200 that's going to be forgiven. Okay, so you're just gonna do the same thing that I did on Head of Household. It would be times 2. So let's just say the 10,200 times 2 is 20,400, and then you would times that because their taxable income is 50,000. They fall in the 12% tax bracket, so you would times that by 12%, and their unemployment check will be $2,448. Okay, so I tried to keep this video short. Hopefully it is. Another way you can find out is just looking up your transcripts. I will link a video at the end of this as well to show you that you can access your transcripts and how to do that. So that way you can just look on there and see what your amount is, or if you're even getting one. Okay. And I think that's it. So again, thank you for tuning in. I hope you got some value from this video. If you did, please press that thumbs up. If you didn't, go ahead and press the thumbs down and leave a comment below and tell me why you did not get value from this video. Okay?